Hey, in this video, I want to talk about how to edit messages in Msty Studio. So the first way is a very simple way, very straightforward, and you probably have used this on Msty Studio, Msty app, or on any other apps. Just editing the content. It's just a markdown content. Just edit content and save. Right. So on Msty Studio, you can do that by clicking this markdown, edit raw markdown icon. So if you click that one, here you go. It's just this markdown. Just add whatever you want to add. Let's add some more content. And then once you're done, you just save this, and there you go. Your message has been edited, right? We can go ahead and then delete this one if we want. So let's go save that. There you go. That's all good. But in Msty Studio, we have a new way of editing content, and that kind of completely changes the way you edit your content. And we are calling it Force Content Mode. Let me show you. So let me go to this. I guess we can also do this here. Or let me go to this one. I have, how many messages do I have here? I have only one message here. I have another one message here. Okay. So let's say we are here, and then we want to edit this content here, right? So what Force Content Mode allows you to do is edit the content in rich text format. So you can activate the Force Content Mode by clicking on this icon here. So as you can see, the first time, when you first see it, it may not look like much. It looks exactly like this. But now what you can start doing here is start editing these in rich text, and it has got lots of other features that I'll talk about. Okay, so first thing is when you do this, another bullet item. This is more content, and then you can, if you select this here, this thing pops up here, and then you can make it bold, underline, strike through, whatever you want to do. And then of course I'm hitting Command Z, Command Z, depends on where you are. I'm on Mac, so you can undo that. Command Shift Z should redo that one. Okay, so that's all good. And once you're done, you can just save that. Let me show you. Just save that. There you go. Now that's very basic. What else you can do is, of course, you can use all these things here. Add more. Let me go to the here, and then or maybe here. What you can do here is if you do hit slash, here, there you go, hit slash here, then you can start also add any of these here. So right now, let me add a header 1 here, and then you can do, header 1. There you go. And hit slash, this pops up. Easily navigable. You can easily navigate using your keyboard. So if you go down here, I'm using my keyboard here, and you can do S3, header 3, slash. This is kind of fun. Okay, so it also supports some advanced HTML tags. For an example, task list here, or the other one. Another one is toggle list. Yeah, so you have some, like, this is summary, or usually this is like run this command, and here are the commands you should be running, right? Whatever, and then you can do like that. Okay, cool. Well, let me clean that up. Go in here. What else you can do here is, of course, you can, hit slash, use a block code here, and you add like this is my code. You know, you can save that, of course, and then when you exit this, yeah, that's how it remains. Let's go back here. Okay, so that's all good. You can also use this here to sort of move this like that. Or you can also do like click here, copy to clipboard. If you copy copy to clipboard, it copies the whole node. So in that case, that's that we selected this one. Or you can like duplicate this. So let's say we have a header here, slash header, heading, and then this is my heading 1. And you can click here, and then you can do duplicate. There you go. It makes it duplicate. You can, of course, change this to H2 if you want. Maybe this is your H2. All that. What else? You can, of course, clear formatting here. Let's see. Clear formatting. There you go. It clears the formatting. All that. All is good. Okay. So the more interesting one is this something called forge writer. You can forge your content by clicking on this one. So this one brings the same one, right? So if you hit slash, it brings that one. Or, you know, if you're more like a mouse kind of person, or sorry, yes, mouse kind of person, then you can just hit that and then click on forge writer. So when you bring this forge writer, what you can do here right now is using this model that you have selected down here, you can ask it to write some. So rather than writing it here, which will add a new message, you can sort of like doing this inline. And let me show you how. We want to add, let's see, something from here. The beauty of dark energy. I don't know. The beauty is in a paragraph, something like that. And so when you hit send here, there you go. So it added that, right? So it takes that context, added that. So it lets you preview that one, just in case you want to review that, or you want to discard that one, or you want to insert. Let's insert, or you can also regenerate. Let's regenerate it. See what happens here. Okay, that regenerated that one, and then we can say okay, insert. So you can see how you can sort of decompose this content. You can sort of like this forcing your content using all these tools. You can also do like maybe you select this one, and then you can select rewrite. You can say okay, make it longer, and see what it does. Well, it didn't make any longer, but let's see if make it sort of works or does something. Okay, there you go. It just sort of created a small it shortened the paragraph here, and all these prompts. Some of these prompts, the prompts that you're seeing here right now are they come built in with Msty Studio, but of course you will be able to add your own prompts to add to these. Let's see. You can also say it's in stone and make it more academic. See what it does. Okay, it's in something. I'm not going to read it, but it did something. All right, so maybe you can do TLDR. It's quite fun. I love playing with this. You can ask for fixed spelling and grammar and things like that. But sometimes, these built-in, of course, you can create your own built-in ones, may not be enough. You may want to do like the spontaneous prompting here, in which case you can just like ask. You can ask and say, okay, right now we're just going to say add some emojis, something like that, and see what it does. Okay, yeah, it added some emojis. That's awesome. So, yeah, pretty cool. But there is more. There's more. What you can also do is like maybe you have this whole thing here, as you can see, and then you can want to do something on the whole message, whole context, and not just like some snippets of it. So in that case, you can click on this one here, and then sort of the same thing. That's same options that are here available here. same option that are available here are also available here, right? Except there is this extra one, but I will talk about that in a bit. Okay, so same thing. When you say, let's say, make shorter, what's going to do is it's going to just rewrite that, right? But on the whole thing rather than selected text. Okay. All right. So what else? TLDR. It's fun. And then sometimes again, just like here, where sometimes you just need your own prompt, custom prompt. You can also do is like you make your own custom prompt here, and you can just say add some emojis. All right, there you go. So pretty cool. Let's add one more thing here. Let's get out of here and then add, we forgot to save that one. That's why. Okay, so let's do, let's ask like, okay, tell me about the dark black holes, something like that. Okay. And then we are like, okay, what's gravitational wave detectors? Okay, so you have, few messages here. Of course, you can edit it like this. You can go back, edit this, and then you can go back here, edit that. You can edit this, you can edit that. It's fine. But sometimes this could be distracting. You probably want to just focus on one message and kind of like have the whole conversation being just focused on one message where you are just like sort of like playing with that message. This is kind of in a way very similar to the Canvas feature that ChatGPT has in some ways. And in that case, what you can do, let me refresh this just so that everything is clear. So what you can do here is we have something called Force Canvas mode. And let me show you what it does. So if you click here and then you say convert to Force Canvas, before I click that one, see we have like one assistant message and another assistant message here, and then the third assistant message here. So if I convert these to Force Canvas, what happens now here is it just focuses on that third one, right? The last one. And now you can just play with it, just massage this message, and the other messages are not being displayed, basically. So I can say, can you summarize this for me? Okay, as you can see, no other messages are being shown. It just focuses on that last message, and you're not distracted. And you can massage, you can force, just focusing on this thing. And once you hide all this thing, you can totally focus on this. Explain these to a fifth grader, something like that. Okay, that's cool. You can do all that. It's already saved. So if you refresh the page, there you go. It's always in the canvas mode now. It's in the Force Canvas mode. And that is being this little icon here, which we might change, but for now at least, this tells you that this conversation is in Force mode, and this one here is in the regular conversation, right? This one here. And of course, if you want, like, what, I want to see my old messages, I want to go back now, I'm done, then you can always go back. So it's not just one way. You can go back, convert to chat here, and then now you are in this chat mode now, rather than this Force Canvas mode. All right, that's all I have for this demo. This is again Msty Studio, not released as of today. We'll be releasing very soon. If you already have Aurum license for Msty app, you will be able to use this very soon. Just before anybody else can use this. But just understand that this is a separate application. This is not desktop application, and it will be priced differently as well. Just wanted to be clear about that. And I've said this before, the data is saved locally, not on our server or anything like that. And that can be verified. I really encourage you to go and watch the first video about how the data is being saved. All right, that's all I got for this one. I got a few more features to show you. Now I'm kind of losing my voice now. You probably could tell. But yeah, I'll come back with more features, some great features here. You probably have noticed some icons here that I still haven't covered. Some amazing features still to demo. So see you soon. Bye.